Choosing the best niches to enter. So we've gone through a lot of the background information you need to know to start building a list and actually profiting from it as well. Now let's start putting it all into place. The first thing you need to do is to decide which niche you are going to focus on. Now, choosing the right niche really isn't that hard. All you really need to do is look for people that are desperate for help. A lot of marketers, when they're just starting out, seem to spend way too much time trying to find that perfect niche when they really don't need to. For this type of business model and the kinds of sales funnel we spoke about earlier, there are really only 3 massively huge and desperate niches you should choose from. Those 3 niches are primarily health, wealth, and relationships. The reason why we want to focus on these niches is because they all have a lot of people who are looking for information and who are looking for solutions to their problems. This allows us to properly execute that sales funnel we spoke about. There are a lot of different products, both free and paid, you can offer in these niches, as there are a lot of other sub-niches within them as well. Let's take a look at the health niche, for example, and more specifically, weight loss. If you were to focus solely on the weight loss niche, you could easily create a funnel that looked like this. A free offer on how to lose weight, a one-time offer that explains the different exercises and diets that allow you to lose weight fast, an upsell that provides coaching or mentoring to someone who is trying to lose weight, a membership site that offers new exercises and new diet plans every month. Then, if that's your general weight loss list, you can also have multiple lists that target specifically weight loss for women, weight loss for men, weight loss after pregnancy, weight loss for people over 50. And you wouldn't need to drastically change your offers. You would just repurpose them to fit your specific target demographic each time. The same applies to any other sub-niche within the health niche and within the wealth and relationship niches. You could have a range of products and offers specifically targeting different demographics within those niches. One thing you can do is to head over to the ClickBank Marketplace and just check out the most popular products on offer there, and also the specific categories they target. So instead of going to one of the categories in the marketplace, just do a blank search and see what comes up. You'll see that almost all of the 50 most popular products being sold are within those 3 massive niches. There are dating guides for men, fat loss courses, dating guides for women, how to make money with surveys, how to transform your body, which is about weight loss, more diet and weight loss products, how to build more muscle, how to text your ex back, how to make money online, and on and on and on. These 3 niches are massive. There are so many opportunities within them that you really need to stick to one of these niches if you want to build a responsive list you can continue to build your business with over the long term. There is massive demand within these niches for solutions to problems, and you need to be someone who provides them with those solutions. They want your help, and as the ClickBank Marketplace shows, they're willing to pay for that help. As long as you stick with one of these niches, you're not going to have any issues with getting people onto your list. They're massive markets with massive demand, so choose one of these niches and stick with it.